Today we are filling our raised beds with the Hugelkultur method. It is a method for planting and using different layers of organic matter and soil to make a mound. The first thing we are going to do is put down a barrier to prevent grass and weeds from growing up through our garden bed. Rather than buying barrier cloth, we are using cardboard because we had some laying around and it does work. Now we're going to fill our beds with 3 different layers. In the first layer, we're going to add organic materials that aren't fully broken down. This can include dead logs, wood chips, sticks, and dead leaves. In this layer, it is best to stick with more brown organic material. In our next layer, we will add compost that is more broken down. Gently tamp down this material and try to fill in any empty spaces between the logs and sticks used in the first layer. And finally, in our top layer, we are going to add soil. You can buy garden soil for this layer, or you can do a 50-50 mix of compost with garden soil if you have any excess. Make sure to fill your beds close to the top because all of that organic material will settle. Now you might be asking, why use this method? There are multiple reasons why you might choose to go this route when filling your own raised beds. Hugelkultur uses organic matter you may already have laying around, which saves you a lot of money. It helps your garden bed retain more moisture. As the organic material breaks down, it will release nutrients that can benefit your plants. The decomposition of the organic matter will warm the soil, which your plants will really love, especially as the season is coming to an end. And finally, it will also allow you to begin your gardening season earlier, as the matter is already warm. This is Angie with Survival Garden Seeds. Thank you for joining us today as we share this information to help everyone grow their own food and become more self-reliant.